Hey guys, welcome to my sewing room. If you guys are new here, hello, my name is Amanda and I post awesome sewing tutorials and pattern making tutorials like the ones I have on my channel for this beautiful wedding gown. And I post these videos twice weekly, so you should consider subscribing if that's something that you're interested in, and dinging off the notification bell so YouTube can actually alert you when I do post. Now, today's video will be a fabric haul on this mountain of fabric that I have here that I actually bought online and in my local city for my May 2019 projects. If you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned. Okay, so the first fabric that I got is a beautiful matte satin that I picked up from my Etsy store. And if you believe it or not, I paid like $4.99 a yard for this. $4.99 a yard, and I picked up 5 yards of it. And this is going to be made into a flower girl dress that will be in my next video. Now it's a champagne color, beautiful, beautiful weight satin charmeuse. And I mean, $4.99 a yard, come on out, you cannot beat it. It does not even feel like $4.99 a yard. It feels like it could be maybe, I don't know, $7 a yard, $8 a yard. So I think this is a complete steal. It has the perfect drape to it. It's not really heavy and it's not lightweight either. I will underline it when I make the gown just because I'm in the habit of underlining special occasion gowns no matter what kind of fabric I'm using. So I will be underlining it, but nonetheless, I think this fabric is absolutely gorgeous and I cannot wait to get her cut out and sewn into a dress. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, it will be in my next video. Now, the inspiration that I have for this flower girl dress, I will post here, 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 and here. Gorgeous gown. I saw this on Pinterest and I'm like, I'm making that for my little girl. So I will be making that, except the box pleats on the skirt are a little bit different because I wanted to cover the side seam. But all in all, the same kind of concept, the same kind of design. So like I said, stay tuned for that. The next fabric I got from the same vendor on Etsy. It will be the lining for the flower girl dress. Believe it or not, like the other one was $4.99, this one was $1.99 a yard. Yes, I said it, $1.99. And I picked up the same amount, 5 yards of that. Now, it's not the softest lining that you can ever have, but it will serve the purpose. This dress is pretty much just, you know, play dress up for my little girl. She loves little princess dresses, so this will serve the purpose. But if you don't want to have, if you want to have a better quality lining, you can get like a silk charmeuse. That's a good lining. You can get a crepe de chine. All of those fabrics, excuse me, the kids, like I said. But anyway, all of those fabrics are really good fabrics. But I just chose this one just because it's not really going to be worn anywhere. And quite frankly, if it was for my wedding anyway, I would probably choose this one again. It's $1.99, y'all. Come on. My next fabric I got from Joann's while I was in there for something completely different. And it caught my eye and I was just like, oh my God, I have to get it. But it was $20 a yard. And I got around 6 yards of it, but I had a 50% off coupon, so I ended up getting it for $10 a yard, which I thought was a steal. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous red lace, and it has beautiful flower kind of appliques all over it. I wouldn't use it as appliques just because I feel like if I cut the appliques out, it would probably fall apart. But I think it'll be pretty as like the skirt of a prom dress or maybe the top part of a prom dress. I have no idea, but I'm going to create it into something gorgeous. It has beautiful red sequins all throughout that creates a beautiful iridescent kind of thing, kind of effect when you turn it from side to side. So I think this will create a beautiful gown, whether it be a gown for my little girls or one of my prom dress videos that are coming out. Sidebar, I know I'm late on the prom game, but I will have at least 3 prom dress tutorials out before the end of May. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so my next fabric is a gorgeous, gorgeous satin charmeuse that I got from one of my favorite stores on Etsy. I will link it down below, of course. It is a gorgeous lightweight satin charmeuse and it has a beautiful drape to it. It's covered in this beautiful rose print and I love how vibrant the red is. I cannot wait to make a skirt from it. I'm going to be making a box pleated maxi skirt with a matching bustier top to go with out of this fabric. So I think it's gonna be absolutely gorgeous. Like the satin, I will be underlining this just because it's not completely opaque, and I think I want this to be more of a special occasion look rather than an everyday kind of maxi crop top combo. So I will be underlining this probably with white muslin like I underline everything else with. It's cheap, it's effective, and it works. Or you can even use silk organza or polyester organza if silk is not in your budget. I mean, come on now, who's gonna judge you? But yeah, this fabric is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way it falls. This could even be a gorgeous prom dress if you really wanted to, if you want to print for your prom dress, or it can be just any kind of evening gown or special occasion dress. Like I said, I'm gonna make a maxi skirt and a crop top combo out of this. I have started kind of drafting the pattern for the skirt, but I haven't drafted the pattern for the bustier yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a video on that because I noticed that most of my pattern making tutorials don't get as many views as I would like, but my videos where I'm actually sewing get more views. So I think I'm just gonna stick to just sewing videos for now. And as always, the patterns will be available in my Etsy store for purchase. My next fabric I got from Etsy again, but from a different store vendor. Link will be in the bio. And I initially got it to make the ruffle dress that you guys are expecting from me. I know I gotta make that video, but this fabric, when it came, it just wasn't what I was expecting. And it wasn't on the vendor at all. It's on me because I'm an idiot, because it said crepe chiffon. And I should have known that it was gonna have the texture of the crepe and the weight of a chiffon, and it just completely eluded me just because I love the print of it. But this honestly will not work for the ruffle dress. It just won't. So I think I'm gonna make a bodycon dress out of it and see how that works. I think it'll work out a little bit better than the ruffle dress that's all loose and flowy. Even though, I mean, this is a chiffon, but I just think it just won't work. Anyway, this fabric, it has a gorgeous floral print on it. It has like I said, it has the texture of a crepe, but the weight of a chiffon. And I mean, like I said, it's a great quality, beautiful fabric, but it's just not gonna work for the ruffle dress. So I will make a bodycon dress from it. And I also got 6 yards of this as well. While I was at Joann's, I also went through the section with all of the special occasion bridal fabric that they have there, and I found this gorgeous tulle. Now, I am a die-hard fan of the Joann's Casa Collection tulle. Not the Delia, not the solid, no, just the plain Casa Collection tulle. I think it is the perfect tulle. It's the perfect weight, it's the perfect stiffness. It's not stiff, it's super soft. It has really small holes, and that's my thing when I'm looking for tulle, especially for like overlays and for bridal. I do not want a tulle that has really large holes in it. Like English netting, I don't use that for tulle. I don't even use that for veiling. I don't know why you would use that. I mean, if you use it, that's on you. For me, I like tulle that has really, really small holes in it that you can barely see them. And this fabric is just gorgeous. The only downside to the Casa Collection tulle is if you're not near Joann's, it's hard to find this online. I mean, they have it, but they don't have it in all of the colors. Like I like it in ivory for my wedding gowns, but they do not have ivory online, but they always have it in the store. So I just go in the store and get it. But if you're not near Joann's, there won't be any way for you to get the ivory, but they have it in eggnog, and they have it in some other odd kind of colors online. And also I noticed that once you, like when I go and buy something from Joann's, I always save my receipt because it has the item number on it, just in case I want to go ahead and buy more of that fabric. I can buy it online. And I noticed that some of their item numbers don't actually coincide with the fabric that it's supposed to be online. So, so watch out for that. I mean, that's just something that they need to go ahead and fix. But nonetheless, I love this Casa Collection tulle. Okay, so that's all the stuff I have. I know this wasn't a huge haul, but I want to come on here and give you guys an update on my projects that I have for May. And I'm super, super excited to go ahead and get these videos out to you guys and see how they go over. Hopefully they go over well, because I honestly put my heart and soul into these videos, and it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort and some moolah to create these videos. So I really hope that you guys love them and enjoy them as much as I love creating them for you. As always, thank you guys for watching my video. I enjoy having you guys in my sewing room. If you have any questions, leave it down below, or if you want to say hi, hello, leave that down below too. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button below because I post awesome sewing videos like I said earlier, so you should stay tuned for that. You should stay tuned. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one.